take a deep breath in and let it go softly. Today you give voice to what was once silent. Your words flow with gentle truth. These affirmations will guide you to speak with honesty and gentle confidence. Let's begin. I am safe to keep speaking my truth. I use my voice with calm and truth. I honor what I once kept inside. My words carry healing energy. I am safe to express myself. I speak with honesty and care. I am proud of my voice today. My truth deserves to be heard. I no longer silence my heart. I speak what I once hid away. My voice is clear and grounded. I am gentle and strong in truth. I give sound to my feelings. I am safe to share my story. My words flow with ease. I honor the voice within me. I am free to express emotion. I speak with kindness and power. My truth brings me peace. I am no longer afraid to speak. I trust the power of my voice. I am safe to say what I need. I release fear of being heard. I speak for my younger self. I give voice to my inner truth. I am calm when I speak my mind. My voice is an act of healing. I am safe to express freely. I speak from a place of love. I am gentle with my words. I express without apology. I speak with open heart. I am proud to speak my truth. I no longer hide my thoughts. I trust what I need to say. My words are filled with grace. I am safe to be honest. I release fear of rejection. I speak with quiet confidence. I honor the silence I once had. I am free to be vocal and real. I express my needs clearly. My truth carries calm strength. I am safe to speak my boundaries. I am kind in how I express. I speak with steady breath. I am heard in gentle ways. I trust my voice completely. I let truth rise through me. I am not afraid to be seen. I speak what matters most. I express with mindful care. My voice brings inner peace. I am safe to use my words. I honor the truth I once buried. I express what I never could. I am proud of how I speak now. I let honesty guide my tone. I speak with respect and calm. I am free to share my feelings. I allow truth to flow easily. My voice carries love, not fear. I am safe to be authentic. I speak for the one who was quiet. I give strength to my old silence. I am gentle in my expression. My voice belongs in this world. I allow clarity to guide my words. I speak and stay grounded. I am safe to share my truth. I release the weight of silence. My words create understanding. I trust my truth completely. I express what feels real. My voice is part of my healing. I speak with light and purpose. I am heard with compassion. I give voice to my healing. I am proud of my open heart. My words carry peace. Take a soft breath in, and then slowly exhale. You've spoken for the part of you that once stayed quiet. Your voice feels calm, steady, and alive. You are heard, and you are free.